with train 1 and 2 in terms of utilities. Now, one part of the project is the rejuvenation, and the other part is the total sulfur reduction. Total sulfur reduction is that at this moment in time, in the product, in the LNG product, we are getting 4 milligram of per normal cubic meter of sulfur in the product. That is going to be reduced to about 1 milligram per normal cubic meter. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to remove the existing 3 sulfur dryers in from each train. That is, the 6 sulfur dryers, existing sulfur dryers, will be removed, and they will be replaced with the 4 each train new sulfur dryers, which have got a higher capacity and the changed out molecular sieve. So that will result, hopefully, that will result in the improvement of the product. That is the main gist of this project. In addition to that, we have got other works, that is the upgradation of the DCS, then the LV switch gears, a lot of modifications on the upgradation of the underground cooling water system. So I will go through the basic scope of work for the project. What is SIMOPS?